We love to go on vacation. How exciting it is for the week before, the day before we pack, and then finally the day of we leave with great anticipation for the vacation to get alone, get away for a while, relax. But I'm relating vacation to heaven. One of these days we are going to go to heaven, and we are packing for that day. We will never have to come back. Vacation, we have to come back, but heaven, we will never have to come back. It pays to be ready to go when He comes.